Hey everybody, this week at PWI we got a couple new cranes getting shipped out. I want to show you a little bit what's going on this week. Right here beside me, here's a 71-foot triple girder 6-ton bridge crane going to a local customer here. This will get 2 Shaw box wire rope hoists on it, and it'll be a 3-ton hoist for a total of 6-ton capacity. This is kind of a typical design we do for a customer who needs low headroom. We have a single monorail here in the middle that the hoist hangs on, but the double girders allow it to have more headroom, more clearance. So over here on the end, we have Mitch installing the gear motors here on the end trucks, get this here put into place. As you can see, these end trucks are 1.5 horsepower and direct drive to the motor there. So over here, we have a nice cool project going on here. Pat is doing final adjustments, parameters on the VFDs, on the control panel here. I'm gonna let Brandon, this is Brandon Hershberger, one of our sales guys, he'll talk a little bit about what this job does and who his customer is here on this job.
Yeah, so this is a 40-ton winch crane that we're doing for a mining company actually in southern Illinois. And what it will be responsible for is transferring equipment over to the mine shaft and also down 750 feet down the shaft. And it is going to be equipped with 2 20-ton winches that will rest here and here. As you can see, we have it all pre-drilled for the bolt hole spacing, and those are going to be able to drop equipment down into the shaft 250 feet a minute. So much bigger than our traditional hoists that we would do on a winch crane or on a bridge crane. Also, as far as other equipment that we have, these are custom bogie end truck assemblies. So each one of these end trucks is going to have a 2 horsepower motor on it, and that will be what's responsible for transferring the equipment over to the mine shaft.
All right, thanks Brandon, I appreciate that. One more crane shipping out this week as well. This customer is an oil and gas customer here locally that we're working with. This actually is a retrofit. These are some old Space Master end trucks underhung here. The customer needed very low headroom, so we actually coped the end of the bridge crane out here to gain maximum headroom for him, so they could get that hoist hook as high as possible. So here in this case, we're retrofitting a crane, 2-ton capacity featuring a Stark 2-ton hoist, motorized VFD trolleys, and we were able to use his existing control panel, and Kyle is here wiring that up and getting that done, featuring in-motion controls. It's what all of our radios are, and in fact, I believe 99% of all of our motorized cranes do have the radio control feature, which is great. And the price point has become much more competitive than it was 10 years ago. So that's what's going on today, this week at PWI. Thank you and have a great week.